Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the melody of this hymn, Alleluia, Sing to Jesus. The tune name is also called Hyfredo. Start with the first phrase. You can use the number 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay. It's relatively straightforward. You don't have to stretch your fingers or move your position. Simply lay your hand from 1 to 5 like this, yeah. And the second phrase is just a repeat of the first phrase, so I can also do it very quickly. The third phrase is also very straightforward. We got a couple of sequences. 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lastly, we got 5, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2. Over here, when you have quavers, try not to play just with your fingers like because that can tense your hand up, but instead use a little bit rest. You can make sure it relax nicely. So from the beginning. Lastly, we will go 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At some point you need to make sure that you got enough fingers to play that 6. You want 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the last phrase. For me, it's easiest to play 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 until the end. Thank you very much for watching, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to add a bass line to this. So it sounds like this. Please follow my channel if you are interested.